Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the WifPnut token. Now the PNUT token has been very popular. Most people know the story of PNUT already, confiscated by the police along with Fred the raccoon. And I did do a video on the PNUT token when it came out. There was a couple different PNUT tokens. One of them had the ticker symbol P and then nut, just the letter P and then nut, and then the other one was PEA nut, just peanut all spelled out. So two different Solana tokens did very well at first. And there's probably other chains as well. And then since then, there's been a ton of spin-offs, like there's PepNut, PopNut, and then now we have WifPnut, ticker symbol WPNUT, which is a combination of the PNUT token and the dog with hat token. And we've seen many WIF tokens come out. I believe WIF is one of the top 50 cryptocurrencies, at least top 100 cryptocurrencies in the world by market cap. So it's an extremely popular meme coin. And so now we have that combined with PNUT for WifPnut. And this token is trending #1 right now on Deck Screener. Just came out about 5 hours ago. They've been doing a lot of marketing. They're up 7,621% in the past 24 hours. Huge market cap, huge 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the WifPnut token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token came out 5 hours, 47 minutes ago on RAYDIUM. That's when the pair was created on RAYDIUM. This token was created on pump.fun, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And they have right now 835.4 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 26,120,000 pooled WPNUT tokens. Right now they have 12,247 holders. So a lot of holders on this token. They have been doing a marketing boost. You could tell they have the 5,500 lightning boost button on Deck Screener with the ads button beside it. It says, join the nutty revolution with WPNUT. And this token has had 31,227 transactions today. Barely 6 hours old and has a 24-hour trading volume of $8.4 million. They have a market cap right now of $6.5 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $348,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM, and according to Deck Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. And token price right now is a little bit more than half a penny, 0.0066 USD. And if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. Now you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box. You're welcome to use any one of those if you like. Then you would go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your SOL for the WifPnut token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, WifPnut.xyz. And when I say peanut, it is spelled P-N-U-T. It is not spelled out full, completely with the E-A. Now, check out my other peanut tokens today. There was PepNut, PopNut, and Baby Peanut that all seem to be doing amazing. There was one about a horse related to the organization with Peanut, and that is called the Cheyenne token. So check out that token as well. And they have, tons of very popular Solana tokens today. They had the BitCat token. That token's doing amazing. There's so many of them right now. Now, if you want to follow the Telegram at WPNUT_Sol, they have 277 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing announcements, new partnerships, memes, all that fun stuff. And same with their Twitter. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find that at WPNUT_Sol. Just joined September 2024, 2,800 Twitter followers, 27 tweets. Has the contract address in the pinned tweet there. Telegram's in the pinned tweet there. So like all the links you're going to need are going to be on this Twitter. And then their webpage, WifPnut.xyz, has some frequently asked questions like, what is Peanut? It's the spirit of Peanut, now with a hat and more nuts. Why does Peanut have a hat? Because even squirrels know how to level up their drip. Is WPNUT a serious project? About as serious as a squirrel in a tiny pink hat. Can I use WPNUT to buy nuts? Only if you find a vendor who believes in memes and squirrels. Why did you create WPNUT? For the love of hats, squirrels, and the chaos that they leave behind. Is there any utility for WPNUT? Yes, summoning the spirit of Peanut whenever you feel the nuttiest. And lastly, will WPNUT go to the moon? More like to the nearest tree where all the nuts are. And if you couldn't tell by all the stuff I just read, this is very much a meme token. And you go to their webpage, you're going to find all sorts of pictures of the squirrel in a hat, and you're going to find their social links, Dex tools, Dex screener chart. You could also find the token on Bird Eye, SoulScan, maybe Jupiter soon, Meteora. But yeah, definitely RAYDIUM, maybe central exchanges in the future. We'll have to wait and see. Follow the socials to find out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.